It is the beautiful Lego wall mug set of the Simpsons. This is the collectible edition. I believe they made 1,000, and then is it not available anymore, and then is it very rare. So of course I want it because I love the Simpsons and I love merchandise. So that was perfect to me. Look at this. This is by the way, what is inside? Here is this. Very cool. Really awesome. Yeah, very cool. Okay, this is the big box what I received at the mail today. I am happy with the beautiful Lego rare, not really rare, but soon rare set of the Simpsons. This is my puppy. Thank you for watching, and yes, thanks for watching all. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.